Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to adjust Digit's risk settings. Digit uses intelligent algorithm to determine how much money to transfer towards your saving goals. If you'd like more control over how aggressively or conservatively it saves on your behalf, you can adjust the risk settings for each goal. All you got to do is open the Digit app. First, launch the Digit app on your mobile device, or you can just choose to sign in via the web browser. Once you're in, go to your savings goals. On the home screen, scroll through your active goals and then select the goal to adjust. Tap on the savings goal that you'd like to customize, or whatever goal it is, just tap on it, and then you're going to tap on settings or manage goals. So just look for the gear icon or a menu option that's labeled manage goal within that specific goal. Next, choose adjust savings level or risk settings. Digit usually offers options like conservative, standard, or aggressive. These control how frequently and how much Digit saves for that goal. For conservative, it saves smaller, less frequent transfers. For standard, it's balanced default saving behavior. And for aggressive, it's larger and more frequent savings. 6. Select the settings that match your preference. So just tap the level of risk or savings behavior that fits your current financial comfort. Once that's done, save your changes. Digit will immediately begin using the new settings to guide future transfers for that specific goal. Adjusting your risk settings can help you to reach your savings faster or slow things down when cash flow is tight, all without needing to micromanage your finances. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.